When you're considering investing in software, it's crucial to know exactly what you're getting into, especially when there are so many alternatives out there. Wiz is a powerful tool, but before you hit that buy button, here are 7 things you need to know to decide if it's the right fit for you. Stick around till the end. I'll also share how you can get the best free trial offer to explore Wiz without any commitment. First off, Wiz offers a level of cloud security that's hard to beat. Unlike many of its competitors, like Palo Alto or Check Point, Wiz is entirely focused on cloud security and integrates seamlessly with multiple cloud environments like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. This makes it incredibly useful if your infrastructure is cloud-based, offering a tailored solution to modern businesses. It's all about reducing your attack surface without the complexity of legacy systems. And what's great is, it doesn't require a dedicated team to manage the setup. The automated features make it easy for smaller teams to manage, especially if you don't have a deep cybersecurity background. Next thing to consider, Wiz uses a unique approach called agentless security. That's a big deal because many competitors require you to install agents across your entire infrastructure, which can be a hassle and create maintenance overhead. Wiz, on the other hand, scans and monitors your cloud resources in real time without any agents, saving you a ton of time and reducing the chances of misconfiguration. This also means less risk of human error, which, let's face it, happens with manual setups. So if you're looking for something that just works out of the box without the need for complex integrations, this is a huge selling point. The third thing you need to know is Wiz's compliance tracking. If you're in an industry that requires compliance with standards like HIPAA, SOC2, or GDPR, Wiz makes the process much smoother. It provides automated compliance reporting and visibility into potential risks, ensuring that you meet your regulatory obligations without the headache. Compared to other platforms, Wiz offers this out of the box, whereas many competitors require additional integrations or third-party tools to handle compliance in a similar way. So, if your business needs to stay compliant, this is a tool that does more than just detect security threats. Now, the fourth thing to note, Wiz's vulnerability scanning. It doesn't just check for vulnerabilities in your cloud services, it also provides detailed insights into how you can fix them. This includes information like the severity level, the potential impact, and a suggested remediation path. Other platforms like CloudPassage or Qualys might give you a list of vulnerabilities, but they don't always give you actionable steps to fix them. Wiz makes it easy for you to understand exactly what needs to be done and why it matters. So, if you're serious about mitigating risks, Wiz's proactive approach is invaluable. Next, the fifth thing you need to know is about Wiz's real-time monitoring. This is where Wiz really shines, especially for larger businesses with rapidly evolving cloud environments. It's constantly monitoring your entire cloud infrastructure for risks, and it alerts you instantly if something changes. You won't have to wait until the next audit or scan to discover vulnerabilities. Many competitors may have real-time monitoring, but Wiz's ability to scale with your business as it grows, especially in multi-cloud environments, is unmatched. It's a real game changer for businesses looking for complete visibility. The sixth point is about Wiz's user-friendly interface. While other cloud security tools can sometimes overwhelm you with dashboards and too many settings, Wiz keeps it simple. It's designed so anyone in your organization can navigate it easily, even if they don't have a background in security. The interface shows you exactly what you need to see and helps you make quick, informed decisions. If you've ever used more traditional security systems, you know how daunting it can be to navigate their interfaces. Wiz eliminates that complexity and puts everything you need at your fingertips. Lastly, the seventh thing you need to know is how you can try Wiz for yourself. Before making any big decisions, you can test Wiz for free with the best trial available through the first link in the description. This way, you can explore its features, see how it integrates with your cloud infrastructure, and determine if it's the right choice for your business, all without any risk. If you want to try Wiz for free and get access to exclusive benefits, just click the first link in the description below. Don't miss out on a chance to see if Wiz can give you the cloud security solution you've been searching for.